Welcome to Soup Crafts. I am Soup, and today we're going to take a walk down memory lane at everything that we got in our 12 days of Christmas and all of the projects that we made. This is empty. This is just a prop. I am still in absolute shock after that shout out from Gina K during her recent live. It was such an honor to have my little channel mentioned by the lady herself. If you missed it, you'll want to go back and catch the replay, not just for the epic shout out, but because Gina explains how you can get in on the fun next year and be among the first to be notified when the 2026 12 Days of Christmas box will be released. But for now, let's take a look back at the incredible journey we took through this year's box, mixing modern paper crafting with a little bit of medieval history. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree, and Gina K gave us the ornate frame. We made 2 vintage Christmas cards. We also learned that the first day of Christmas actually begins on December 25th, also known as Christmas Day, and we learned about the boar's head centerpiece and the Lord of Misrule. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves. Gina K gave us the paper hug stamp set and coordinating die set, and we made 9 Valentine-ish cards, including 3 with pop-ups. We also learned that the second day of Christmas falls on December 26th, which is also known as Boxing Day. This day was both sad in the remembrance of St. Stephen, the first Christian martyr, and happy in the charitable giving associated with Boxing Day. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens, and Gina K gave us Connect glue, a mini glue bottle, and a pack of sequins and embellishments. We made a snowman scene Christmas card with interactive snowflakes, and we learned that the third day of Christmas falls on December 27th, also known as St. John's Day, to honor St. John the Evangelist, who was known as the Apostle of Love and is said to have miraculously survived a vat of boiling oil. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling birds, and Gina K gave us the Tiny Tag Sentiment stamp set and coordinating dies. We made 8 quick gift card holders from 2 12 by 12 sheets. Plus, we found out that the fourth day of Christmas falls on December 28th, also known as Holy Innocents' Day. This was a somber day in the commemoration of the massacre of the innocents by King Herod. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 gold rings. Gina K gave us the Tiny Tag standalone die set, and we made an Elf's Eye View North Pole Christmas card. Plus, we learned that the 5th day of Christmas falls on December 29th, also known as St. Thomas Becket's Day. Historically, this day marks the day in 1170 when Archbishop Thomas Becket was murdered in Canterbury Cathedral. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 geese a-laying. Gina K gave us 3 containers of Dazzle Dust glitter, and we made a gold-clad Oh Christmas Tree Christmas card. Plus, we finally got out of the somber period of the 12 days when we learned that the 6th day of Christmas, falling on December 30th, also known as St. Egwin's Day, brought about more feasting as any previous poultry gifts were actively consumed. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans a-swimming. Gina K gave us the chalet background stamp, and we made a Feel Better teacup easel card. We also found out that the 7th day of Christmas falls on December 31st, New Year's Eve, and was often the peak of the Feast of Fools, a topsy-turvy day where the world was turned upside down and donkeys went to church. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 maids a-milking. Gina K gave us the Tiara Twin Frames standalone die set, and we made an heirloom Santa ornament. We learned that the 8th day of Christmas falls on January 1st, which we know as New Year's Day, and first footing was in full swing as people would go out and about to bring luck to their community. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 ladies dancing, and Gina K gave us the Cheers to Another Year stamp set and coordinating die set. We made a Let's Party blinged out birthday card, plus we found out that the 9th day of Christmas falls on January 2nd, also known as St. Basil's Day, and was the day that preparations began for the big party to come on day 12, including the cleaning of the hearth. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 lords a-leaping. Gina K gave us spatter paint in white, and we made a Dash Away All Santa Christmas card. We learned that the 10th day of Christmas falls on January 3rd, and that the direction of the wind determined what the coming year had in store. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping, and Gina K gave us the glorious gatefold standalone die set. We made elegant snowdrop birthday cards, and we learned that the 11th day of Christmas falls on January 4th, when communities would gather near water sources for the blessing of the waters, and that town pipers were a vital part of the community. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming, and Gina K gave us the magnificent Magnolias layering stencil set. We made a blue Magnolias watercolor birthday card. As our final night of the 12 days of Christmas, we learned that this was the night of misrule, and the centerpiece of the 12th night was the bean cake, where everyone had the chance to be royalty. It has been so fun to blend these beautiful new products with the history of what the 12 days might have actually looked like in medieval times. If there was one day from the historical 12 days that you could reinstate today, what would it be? I don't think I can choose between the topsy-turvy silliness of day 7 and the 12th night festivities with the kings and queens cakes. Let me know your pick in the comments, and don't forget to check out Gina's video to stay in the loop for next year. As we head into the beginning of the historical 12 days of Christmas, I don't know what else I can say, but Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.